In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a 3-step formula that you can use to find your profitable niche and start charging premium prices in your creative business. So to give us some context for this video, let's start with the problem first. Whenever creatives don't niche down, they're like the Swiss Army knife, doing everything and excelling at nothing. But this only attracts low-paying, hard-to-please clients that expect champagne results on top water budgets. And by doing this, they're not actually standing out, they're blending in with their competition and burning out faster than a cheap scented candle from Kmart. So without a clear niche, you're missing out on premium clients who are looking to pay premium prices. And don't worry, finding your profitable niche doesn't have to be a difficult task. Let's dive into step 1 and start narrowing things down for you. Okay, so I have my trusty iPad and pen. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to find your profitable niche for your creative business. First of all, we're going to take a look at the left-hand side. We're going to take a look at the clients who you love to work with, the types of clients that just light you up. Next, we're going to take a look at who you can help. So we want you to focus on your skills and expertise and who you can offer the biggest transformation to. And finally, most importantly, who can pay you the premium prices. These are the types of clients that see value in your expertise and has the budget to invest. So when these three align, you have struck gold. You're no longer working harder, you're working smarter, and you're finally getting paid like it too. But James, what if I love the person that I'm working with? I know that I can help them, but they can't pay me. Does that still classify as a profitable niche? No, it does not, because what that's going to mean is you're going to spend all your time marketing, creating your offers, and getting those types of people onto a phone call. When it comes to them paying, they're just not going to be able to afford your service. They're going to keep you down. What you're looking for is somebody that can come through, you love them, you know that you can help them, and most importantly, they can pay you those premium prices. This is a profitable niche. So take a look at who you're currently attracting into your business. Do they tick all 3 of these boxes? In step 2, how to charge premium prices. Now, to be able to charge premium prices as a creative business owner, you're going to need to create a signature offer, one that has a clear, easy to understand transformation. So as soon as your profitable niche sees it, they get it and they want it. Profitable clients don't pay for time, they pay for results. So what I want you to do is put yourself in the shoes of your profitable niche. What journey are they on? What problems are they facing? And how can your signature offer help solve them? So for example, if you're Izzy, who's a wedding photographer who specializes in editorial elegant style shoots, for her signature offer, she could take couples who are stressed and overwhelmed to creating not just a stunning, but a magazine worthy style wedding album that couple can look back on 50 years from now. So as you can see, by creating a signature offer that offers a tangible transformation, you position yourself as a high value expert, making it easier to attract premium clients who are ready to invest. Once you find your profitable niche and you've created your signature offer, the next thing that you need to focus on is position yourself as the go-to in your niche to allow you to charge premium prices. So taking a look at this pyramid, what you need to do first is focus on who this profitable niche of yours is. Then once you know that, you need to take a look at their biggest pains and their deepest desires. Then you will create a signature offer that provides a clear, easy to understand transformation. And then you're going to consistently create content that builds trust. And then you're going to use meta ads to get yourself out in front of new audiences. Then you're going to lead them into a streamlined sales funnel that gets them onto a free discovery call. And then whenever you get them onto a free discovery call, this is whenever you can work your magic to get them to become a new client. Finally, don't be afraid to charge your premium price, one that reflects the value that you're delivering. Whenever you position yourself as a go-to in your niche, your dream clients will value your services as an investment, not an expense. If you implement these 3 things into your business that I'm teaching you today, you're going to see massive growth and you're going to see the biggest shifts in your business. Not only will it give you the income that you've been craving, but it will give you the freedom and the lifestyle that you've dreamt of. If you found this video useful, hit the thumbs up, share it with a creative friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips how to scale your creative business to 6 figures. And before you go, drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest struggle in business is right now, and I'd love to help you. Until then, keep creating.